What's up, guys? Welcome back to the cave, and I got something special from ShopDisney.com. Check it out. I got the Sheriff from Cars. He's a 6-inch RC car. There's Storm from the third movie. He's super cool looking. We're going to open him up and put the batteries in and drive him around. But this is normally $19.95, and we got him for $14.36. There was a sale on ShopDisney.com recently, and I decided to pick up the Sheriff. So let's get started. Let's open him up. What does he come with? And is he going to be fun to drive? They had two types. They had Lightning McQueen and they had the Sheriff, and I decided to go with the Sheriff because he just looks cool. Oh, check that out. The little pins are like, they say Cars on them. You see that? That's pretty cool. Dun, 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 dun. And boom, we get the controller. Has buttons on top, on each side, and then two buttons here. And, and it turns on. So there's batteries in there already. So that's cool. Alright, checking him out. He got the white wall tires and everything. He looks pretty cool. So let's find the on switch, which is down here by his buttocks. Let's turn this on. It would be cool if he talks, but he does not. So these seem to be the stops. Oh no, this turns him right and this turns him left. So right and then left, and then both of these front buttons make him go. So let's test him out on the kitchen floor and see how good he is. Hey guys, this thing is super cool. It's super fun. It actually works on carpet, not as well as solid ground, but it works pretty good. The distance, I think it's only 10 feet, but this thing is so cool. It's so much fun. I had a blast. Next time Shop Disney has a sale and these get marked down again, I'm going to buy Lightning, and we're going to race these buddies and see who wins. So stay tuned for that one, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.